Let's go get breakfast, and by get breakfast I mean make it. I really don't like the gloomification of the day today. It's really one of those sad fall days, no sun is outside, and like that's not my vibe. I'm not gonna lie, that's not my vibe. When the weather starts doing this, count me out. Time to wake up the house. I don't think it's gonna get that much brighter though, unfortunately.
She's just a baby. She's just a baby.
Taken. Life update. Life update. My cat, Milo, he just got surgery about a couple weeks ago and he had to get his teeth removed, which I was literally so distraught about, so sad. So this is a reminder to get your cat's teeth checked and take care of them. I need to make myself some breakfast, but also Mariella was on cleaning duty and she didn't do it. I need to clean this kitchen too because I literally, like, if you could see what this stove looks like, it doesn't look nice. And that 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 and that. So I'm gonna simultaneously warm up a little croissant. I'm having a lazy breakfast today and then we're gonna clean. And I'm also gonna watch something on my iPad.
In 2023.
So this is breakfast. I'm gonna make a little coffee. I'm gonna put a little jam. It feels a little Parisian, I can't lie. Oui, oui. Don't close my door. I don't wanna hurt anymore. Up in my heart. Don't close the door. Sorry, I'm just checking if I need to go back to work or if I have a hidden talent I didn't know about. So my breakfast was great. Thank you for asking. I've been walking around my house, you know, and I'm realizing how messy my shit is. My gosh, we have so much cleaning to do today and I'm like not excited about it at all. So I did a little bit of editing and stuff for Instagram. Actually, I did a bomb ass, I mean, me personally, really fun Halloween costume, barbed wire, and I just made some like short reels on it and I thought it was really cute. So I want to film a couple more Halloween stuff before Halloween hits. So yeah, that's on my to-do list today, is film something. I think I'm gonna redo my last year's Halloween costume with my blonde wig. But I want to open some PR packages because I got a couple things in the mail yesterday. Back in my day when I was like starting YouTube, GHD was the it girl. And she still is the it girl. A new 1-inch curling iron. That's bougie. Ooh, Paula's Choice. A Pro Collagen Peptide Gloss Balm. Okay, I guess they have a new one. Oh, Deep Plum. Okay, because this one's clear. This is the one that I had already. Thank you, Paula's Choice, and thank you, GHD. Let's see what this last one is. Whoa. Kendall, what are you doing here? Hyaluronic acid lip oil with a bunch of different colors. You know I love me a lip oil. Oh my god, this is so cool. Adapts to lip pH level for a customized color. Okay, so this is what the lips are looking. I think it might already be changing color. All right, so that's it. That's all for this. I need to make a grocery list because one, I need to just get groceries in general. I don't have milk left. I just need things for my little wine night. So I need to clean this space and my guest room in there so that they have a place to sleep because there's gonna be 5 of us total actually. Huh. I'm gonna have to squeeze someone somewhere. I don't know what it is about grocery stores that's weirdly intimidating. I always feel like I'm unprepared and I'm gonna come home and I'm gonna be like, wait, I should have gotten this. So I have a girls' night plan, like I said. I'm gonna do a charcuterie wine night, but I also want to like include some Halloween stuff, so it's gonna be like a weird combination. I have Halloween decorations downstairs that I want to bring up today and kind of see how I can make it work. We're probably just gonna be chilling in my living room the whole time, so I might just decorate that area. Tomorrow my boyfriend's coming over before everyone comes over. He's obviously not gonna be part of the girls' night because although he's one of the girls, he's not that much of the girls. So I'm kind of gonna be busy, so I want to get that done today so I just don't have to worry about it. Why is ground beef $10? Okay, so I'm not gonna lie, I've kind of been adding a bunch of stuff to my cart. For example, these cookies, but I thought my friends would love these. Honestly, I've gotten pretty much everything. I do need to get some crackers for this charcuterie, and then just extra stuff like cat food and deodorant, and I actually am on the hunt. Not on the hunt, I just haven't got myself tea, because I've been wanting whatever they use in a Tim Hortons steep tea, I need to buy, because I've been having an addiction lately with steep teas. I'm looking up what's in a Tim Hortons steep tea. A blend of orange pico and cut black tea leaves. They literally have the Tim Hortons steep tea, but it's Keurig pots. I don't know. This looks like the actual tea, and there's way more in this. 72 bags. I'm actually really speedy at this. I did a lot faster than I thought it was gonna be. There wasn't too much on the list though, so that's probably why. Oh my god, there's a Halloween section. 21. Wait, I forgot about candy. I need to go back to the snack section. I don't need it. I don't need it. Okay, time for our grocery haul. Ignore my dishes, I need to do them. We'll start off with everything that I got for the charcuterie night. Antipasto, prosciutto, coppa di Parma e Genoa salami. Cookies, this type of salami, smoked cheddar, some gluten-free crackers, even though why did I go opt for gluten-free when I'm clearly not staying away from gluten. Double creme cheese. I got this for a little candy on the side. Everything else I basically have. I also got some raspberries to kind of garnish. I also have grapes, olives, and all the other sides already at home. For regular groceries, I got milk, I got these fresh bagels, some cream for my steeped tea, the orange pico steeped tea. I got a little smoked salmon for lunch one of these days. Dinners and stuff, I got lean ground pork and lean ground beef, sourdough multi-grain bread, and deodorant, and cat food. Oh wait, I also got 2 packs of chips in case the girls want that tomorrow. That's it. Super excited, super happy. Cannot wait. I'm gonna hide some of this stuff, like these for example, because I feel like if my boyfriend comes over and sees this, we're screwed. We're screwed. The girls aren't getting anything. You can kind of see the mess of my room even right here, but there's so much more that needs to be cleaned up. I think I'm gonna do like a rough draft of my clean, which is a weird thing to say, but I just know I'm gonna make it messy again because I need to film my video. So I'm just gonna like take the garbage out, put my sheets in the wash, like fold my laundry, that type of stuff. And then I'm gonna get into like a deep clean later because I need to do my bathroom as well, because I'm sure everyone's gonna be up here in my room and I want it to be as spick and span as possible. Honestly, I'm really tired and I'm not in the mood to do this at all. Like, this weather is so uninspiring to get anything done, but we just gotta push through. We need to use our determination and not our emotion for this. Don't be scared of me, okay? I just finished filming. Should this be my thumbnail? Anyways, just filmed my fembot costume. Honestly, I wish I had this wig last year because it eats so good. Anyways, I'm gonna get out of this because I'm literally so tired, and it might be like, Alex, you didn't really do much today. You're right, but I also am having the worst cramps ever. I have PCOS and my cramps are killing me and I haven't taken an Advil. So really I'm pushing myself more than you could imagine. And I still have to clean more than what I've done already. I put my sheets in the wash and stuff, but we have to work on downstairs too. And I have to cook dinner. And I have to get some Halloween decor downstairs. What the hell? Okay, it's my final stretch for cleaning right now. I'm gonna deep clean my bathroom, most importantly. Guys, I don't know why I'm so overwhelmed with how much I have to clean. Like, what the hell is going on. There's something about cleaning when you choose to do it that's so peaceful. And then there's other times when you have to clean because you know you have to, and it's way, way worse. The upstairs cleaning is basically done. I started thinking and I'm like, honestly, downstairs is gonna have to wait till tomorrow when it comes to cleaning because like the kitchen's just about to get dirty again because I'm gonna cook. But I did go downstairs and find some Halloween decor. A bunch of this like cobweb stuff and this spider. By the way, my hosting space is gonna be here, so I'm just gonna decorate like this room. I have some skulls, fake hands. Honestly, I think I'm just gonna use it to decorate the table and like have all the food laid out on the table with these decorations. This is literally from a Halloween party I did with the same group of girls in like 2021. Oh, and then a tablecloth. Okay, fun. But this is great. This is great. I'm very happy with this, the collection that I have here. Okay, time to cook dinner. Everything inside of me wants to go and buy myself food. That would be so nice, and I would just go and watch freaking Grey's Anatomy. But I didn't just do the groceries to go buy myself takeout. All right, on the menu tonight, I found like a pack of rice ready-made, so I'm like, okay, I'm gonna make my life a little easier and cook that up, but I wanted to have veggies, so I put some zucchini in it. I don't know, it's cilantro lime, and the lime is so potent, so I don't know what that's gonna taste like. And then I made some chicken breast for me and Mariella. Do you hear the crisp? It's dinner served. I know I'm doing a wine night tomorrow. But I'm in the mood for a little glass of wine. We have this from a date Dante took me on. We did a picnic. I think it's still good. Yeah, Dante took me on a date, a surprise picnic date at a park conservatory last weekend with charcuterie, like in a picnic thing. Like, are you kidding me? I'm so lucky. You might be wondering, why are you doing another charcuterie? Literally, I'm not kidding. Some people are like, oh, I don't get charcuterie. Like, what's the point of it? If I was on death row, I would choose charcuterie board for my last meal. Salami, cheese, bread, olives, like that whole shebang, like that is my shit. And no wonder I ended up with an Italian man. Anyways. Dinner time. It's my favorite part of the night. Please ignore my microfiber towel, but it is finally time to wind down. Ugh. I'm tired, guys. I'm tired. This is the new Lancome Triple Serum Retinol. I don't have a specific skincare routine at night. I'm not gonna lie. I get sent a lot of skincare, so it's like I get greedy. I want to try all of it, and I'm like so excited. So I don't have like a specific thing. Like a lot of these products are new. Like this one and this one I literally just opened the other day. This I have been using for a while. This is the Bioderma Retinol Eye Cream. I know I've been complaining about being really tired, but there's something very rewarding about like having a long day. And like, no, I didn't necessarily go to work, but I really did the most. The cleaning though, the cleaning was something else today. Like I only filmed half of what I actually cleaned. Okay girls, love you. You helped me feel not so lonely. Like I realized I didn't speak to a single human being, like maybe the cashier at the grocery store, but like that's it. No one's been home. I've been on my own, and I don't have that feeling of like I didn't talk to anyone because I've been talking to you guys. Sweet. Isn't that really sweet? So let me know down below what videos you guys want to see. Take a look at what I've been posting lately. Let me know what your vibe is, because I would love to deliver you guys the content that you will watch. Maybe I haven't been doing too much of that lately. I don't know, you tell me. I don't like to damper on numbers anymore. I feel like I had my phase of being like, oh my god, YouTube's dead for me. But there's something in me that keeps me going. Okay guys, I love you. Subscribe, send this to your best friend, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!